Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Hlulani. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you decide to stay. If you are returning, thank you so much family for your loyalty. I enjoy and I love the fact that you keep coming over and over and over. If you are not subscribed, can I please ask you to subscribe? I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so your subscription matters, and I really need it. It helps a lot. So guys, without wasting any time, I am here to actually talk about what I carry on my carry-on luggage, and I think you should too, because I think it's like really essential stuff. So I think over the years of traveling, you actually learn every now and then when you are traveling that, oh my gosh, this could have been a need, this could have been a need. So this is what this video is about. Let's get straight to it. So number one, I always carry a pair of clothes. So this is for in case it happens that your luggage is stolen or lost or misplaced or whatever the case may be, because these things happen. I at least have something that I can change wherever I get. So imagine a situation where you land in a place and then they tell you, I'm sorry madam, but your luggage has been misplaced, or we cannot find your luggage. It probably is left where you are coming from, and we will deliver or we'll give it to you, or you find it in 4 days, or you find it in 3 days, or whatever the days are. So in this case, at least you have something to change with. So for me, it has become really important when traveling to actually carry that. I have not had like a situation where my luggage is stolen or lost. So I have had it like, where my luggage was left where I was coming from, but luckily I was coming home. I was coming to South Africa, so it was a different situation. But I just imagine, just in case it happens that my luggage is lost or whatever the case may be, then I have something to change and I will be able to sort of really navigate wherever I am without having to just carry on wearing the same thing over and over again. The second thing I carry is power bank and charger. So this is really important when you are traveling. So some flights do have, or rather a lot of flights actually have the charging ports and all those places and all those things, but then some flights will surprise you and then you actually don't have a place where you can charge, and you don't want your phone dying when you're actually traveling, because that is actually just really messy. So a power bank becomes really handy and your charger becomes really handy in such kind of situations. And then the third one is I carry a small toiletry bag. This is really important, especially because I almost always actually travel at night. So what this basically means is that I will sleep overnight, and then I'll be in a flight. When I wake up, I have bird breath, my face looks really crusty and everything is just a mess. Imagine a situation where you are landing and your SO or whoever is waiting for you, there's kisses. What did I say? Kisses? You guys kiss? Yeah? Okay. Well, never mind. But like, you just don't want to like have bad breath or look crusty or whatever, even though you're coming from a flight. So I carry that with me just to make sure that I freshen up. So this toiletry bag is a small one because, again, we spoke about customs and immigration previously, and you want to be in a position where you don't exceed a certain milliliters for your travel. So that comes in really handy for me. And it's really important. The third one, or the fourth one, is a pair of thick socks. So you might ask yourself, why a pair of socks? This is really important in flights for me. I love comfort more than anything, and in most cases I find that flights are really cold. I find them to be really cold, so they'll give you those small blankets, but then you still need to feel a bit warmer. So I carry those thick socks for like overnight, even like during the day, just to be comfortable and feel a bit more warmer than I could if I didn't have them. So I always want to carry those thick socks with me just for comfort, because the girl loves comfort. So the fifth one is a pen. I think I mentioned it previously. Carrying a pen is really important when or on a carry luggage when traveling, because I think almost every flight you will definitely be feeling something that has to do with customs and immigration. So you don't want to be inconveniencing anyone. You don't want to be borrowing pens. You just want to have your own pen. So these are the 5 things that are really, really important for me when I am traveling. And I think one thing again to note is the fact that I have found over time that traveling with a backpack versus a bag is much easier, because like backpack just like balances you are like really comfortable. You don't want to be uncomfortable when you're actually like moving from one gate to another, running and everything. So I find for myself backpack just is able to like sort of have everything chucked in, from your toiletry bags, from your laptop, from your like the extra pair of clothes and stuff like that. So you choose what works for you. I actually am sharing this as a way to actually, either you can take it as advice or you can actually take something and then. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and please comment down below and let me know what is it that you carry with you when you are traveling. What is it that you deem as essential for you for your carry-on luggage, and then let's just be a community that shares information on travel. I think I'm almost becoming your travel auntie. What do you think? And tell me, suggest a name for this segment. In my mind I have travel tales, or your auntie in travel or something of that nature. Just let me know, and then whatever the name you come up with, if it's like a lot of names, we'll go in the polls and then just pick one. But otherwise, I appreciate you guys and I appreciate that you watch my content. Cheers, bye.